Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into the Xbox you use because settings apply to your profile and saved preferences. Once signed in, press the Xbox button and navigate to Profile and System, then Settings. This gives direct access to display, network, and account controls. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that the console shows its latest system update, because missing updates often hide or change options. Once that's confirmed, proceed to the next area to adjust display, audio, and network specifics. Now you'll change the middle layer settings that impact gameplay and streaming. Go to Display and Sound to set resolution and refresh rate so games match your TV. Toggle HDR to correct colors and reduce banding. Next, test your network connection and, if necessary, set a custom DNS or enable Co-S on your router to reduce lag. Then open account and sign in to confirm privacy and family controls. This prevents unexpected blocks or permission issues during multiplayer and purchases. Finish by applying any changes and restarting the console to ensure all settings take effect. This simple step resolves many issues instantly. If something still behaves oddly, try a full power cycle by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds, then unplug for 30 seconds. Clear local saved games only if syncing fails. If problems persist, note any error codes and take screenshots, because that speeds support interactions. Finally, make sure you keep a backup of important saves before deep resets to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.